Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.